We all keep talking about the little earthquakes. Did you feel it? What does it mean? Does this make the big one more or less likely? It doesn't mean anything. There's still a 68% chance one of the 5 faults in San Francisco will go off at a 7 or greater sometime in the next 30 years. But there is a 100% chance a 7 or greater will hit San Francisco eventually. It might take 60, 80, 100 years, but it will happen. So let's stop worrying about something we cannot change. My advice for you is to worry about the things you can change. Like your husband leaving his socks on the bathroom floor. Your kids borrowing the car and leaving the tank empty. Roommates who never close doors, or drawers for that matter. How often the lawn gets cut. Let's worry about ice cubes that don't come cleanly out of the tray. What to have for dinner. How far we're going to run, or if we'll sit at home in front of the TV. Let's not worry about San Francisco falling into the ocean. That's inevitable. Let us worry about how often we smile at strangers, how often we choose kind words, and how often we start yelling in our cars like a crazy person over how that idiot in front of us doesn't know how to drive. We need to worry about the bear attacking our campsite because we left the food out. Or we can worry about the color of ink we use to write with, if the dishes need to be cleaned, or if your son has left pizza under his bed again. Worry about making time for an oil change, or time for a book, time for a friend, or time for walking the dog. But don't worry about what time the big one will hit. Worry about that exam or the big presentation, your first speaking event in front of a crowd, or being found naked after you die. Just don't worry about earthquakes, or if you choose to worry, know that it's only going to lead to being medicated.